Let's create a single password for all your Meta application and devices. In their latest update, Meta has been changed how you can control all their Meta application and devices. Here, I will use my Facebook application. After opening, tap the hamburger menu. Then, to open settings, you can tap these setting buttons or you can open setting like this. Then, you can select Meta account. Then, if you tap login and activity under change password, you can see now it has been linked all your Meta application including Facebook, Instagram and Thread and other Meta accounts. So you can create one password for all of them. Alternatively, if you tap this blue color option, you can see one login across all your Meta application and devices. That's the latest update. So if you don't have this feature, all you have to do, you have to update your Meta application. If you go down, you can just create a single password for all your application and devices. Earlier it came under Facebook, now it shows under Meta account, as well as it shows all the accounts that affected this password change. Here you can enter your old password, then you can create your new password. Enter new password twice, then you can check this option if you want. If you want to log out all other devices, you can check this option. Right now, I don't want to log out from other devices and locations, so I will leave that alone. So I just tap change password. So using this new password, you can access all your Meta applications and devices. If you want to learn more about all other new features, you can click this in the screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.